Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today, I am going to do the exercise of chapter first of science. The name of chapter is sources of food. Let's see the exercise. See, we will do the exercise of only C section and this answer in one word or a few words. Okay. The first question is name the parts that we eat in case of the following plants. हमें ये नीचे प्लांट्स दिए गए हैं, इनके कौन से पार्ट हम ईट करते हैं. हियर इज वी हैव टू राइट. ओके, हमें लिखना है. लेट्स स्टार्ट. इन द केस ऑफ रेडिश, व्हाट यू ईट. रेडिश का कौन सा पार्ट आप खाते हैं. रूट. ओके. एंड पी का कौन सा पार्ट खाते हैं. सीड. एप्पल का फ्रूट. ओके. कैरेट रूट. ग्राम सीड. शुगर केन स्टेम. ओके. पोटैटो stem and spinach leaves. wheat seed. onion में stem. mango fruit. rice seed. Okay, now move to next. Give two examples in each of the following cases. Okay, इस पोल्ट्री प्रोडक्ट में कौन से दो एग्जाम्पल्स होंगे. एग एंड मीट. ओके. नाउ इन डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स चीज एंड कर्ड. ओके. नाउ थर्ड वन, state whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, let's see. Number of food ingredients in a chapati or roti is 2. So कितने ingredients होते हैं. 2. So it's true. Okay. Now cockroaches are omnivores. Yes, क्या है. omnivores. And plants are herbivores. Plants are herbivores. No, plants खाते नहीं हैं. Okay, so it's not herbivores. An elephant is a carnivore. Means elephant क्या है. फ्लैश खाता है. नहीं. So it's also false. The plant part that is eaten in potato is the underground root. क्या रूट को खाते हैं पोटैटो के. नहीं. false. Okay. Now curd is an animal product. Yes, means true. Okay. Now come to next. Fill in the blanks. What? Fill in the blanks. In filling the blanks, what? See, in case of kheer, the food ingredients are. खीर के केस में ingredients क्या होंगे. milk, rice and sugar. Okay. Now in second, idli contains how many ingredients. 4. And third, crow is an what. omnivores. Means crow is eat both. Okay, flesh and plants also. Okay, so you just write down plants and animals. Okay. Now deer is herbivores. What? herbivores, as it eats only what? plants. Okay. Good. Now, a carnivore is a animal which eats flesh. Okay. कार्निवोर एनिमल्स क्या होते हैं? जो फ्लैश खाते हो, मांस खाते हो. The edible plant part in spinach is leaf. Okay. Now in 7, blank blank are foods obtained from roots of plants. Okay. So in the first, what we can write? Carrot. Okay. And what? Second one is what? Radish. ओके. इनके हम क्या करते हैं, क्या खाते हैं? रूट खाते हैं. पौधे के रूट को खाते हैं. तो ये पौधे क्या है? रूट है. ठीक, इनके रूट खाते हैं. हनी इज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय द बीज फ्रॉम द नेक्टर ऑफ व्हाट? फ्लावर्स. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट, एग एंड मीट आर provided by what? Eggs and meat provided by poultry. What? Poultry. And next, sugar is obtained from the stem of sugar cane. Okay. Sugar cane plants. Okay. Now come to next. Say next, give one word for each of the following. Okay. फर्स्ट, एनिमल्स दैट ईट ओनली प्लांट्स. जो एनिमल्स केवल प्लांट्स खाते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? हर्बीओर. व्हाट? हर्बीओर्स. ओके. नाउ सेकेंड, एनिमल्स दैट ईट बोथ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. व्हाट? वी कॉल इट ओमनीओर्स. ओके. नाउ एनिमल्स दैट ईट ओनली एनिमल्स. जो जानवर सिर्फ जानवर खाते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? कार्निवोर्स. ओके. नाउ एन एडिबल रूट. व्हाट? एडिबल रूट. सो व्हाट द एनिमल एडिबल रूट? डू यू नो? radish. Okay. Now next, an edible stem, sugar cane. Okay. And an edible leaf, spinach. What? Spinach. Okay. Now next, germinated seeds को क्या बोलते हैं? Sprouted or sprouts. Okay. Now come to next. Here multiple choice questions, so tick the correct option. Herbivores eat animals only, plants only, both plants and animals, dead bodies of animals. So eat plants only. Okay. Now second, eagle is carnivore, omnivore, herbivore or scavenger. What? Omnivore. Okay. No, it's not omnivore. It will be carnivore. Eagle eat only what? Flesh. Which of the following is a? Here is wrong. We improve it as omnivores. Okay. So here should be omnivores. So which of the following is omnivores? So horse, goat, dog and deer. In all, dog is what? Omnivores. Okay. Now The plant part eaten in case of radish is what? We read eat in the radish. Radish is what? Root. Okay, so stem, root and flower and seed. So a root, so this one is correct. Now next, bees store blank in their beehive. What they store in their beehive? Honey, eggs, curd, all of these. What? Honey. Okay, so in this way the exercise is completed. And one thing is here, which is you will do yourself. This is do and learn. Okay, do and learn. This will you will do it yourself. ये आप अपने से करेंगे. ओके, आज के लिए इतना ही. वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर.